Hello, welcome. In this video, we're going to find out if the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra supports the reverse power sharing feature. Okay, to find out this information, we have to go to settings, and here scroll down until you see battery. So just press on that, and scroll down once again until you see wireless power sharing. And here, remember to have your phone above the 30% mark. I have 46, so we good. And enable this option. And now, if you want to charge, for example, your friend's phone, you can just flip your Samsung, and sometimes the case will be in the way. So I would recommend putting it off for a bit. And to see if they work, I will just whip up my iPhone. As you can see, let's just put it like this. As you can see, the phone is in fact charging. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.